guess you're planning out both our lives, and I need a breath. Can I just take some time? I know everything you say is right. Time to say goodbye, and I'll pay a heavy price to walk out your life. But you